8. Math is great.
Click the button when ready.
Are we ready? Let's go.
How many birds did you see?
How many birds have we seen? We saw only 3 birds flying once. The answer is 3. Once, twice. How many times have we seen the birds flying? Twice. We are counting by threes 2 times. 3 plus 3 gives us 6. That's right. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. How many times have we seen the birds flying by? 4 times. We are counting by fourth 3 times. Or we are counting by threes 4 times. But the trick is every time we have 3 and 4 multiplied, we always get backwards and give the answer 1 and 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. How many times? Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many times have we seen the birds flying by? 7 times. Now we are counting by sevens 3 times. We are counting by sevens 3 times. 7 times 3 is 7, 14, and the answer is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. How many times? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Is it going to be 5? 6, a bit more. 7, I would like you to stop. 8. How many times have we seen the birds flying by? 8 times. We need to multiply 8 by 3. 8 multiplied by 3 gives us the answer 24. 8, 16, 24. 8 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Well done!